Hello everyone, this is my updated bike check. It's raining out, and so I can't really ride, so this is my bike check, and I'm going to show you the new parts, which you'll see in my dance combo boxing if I post that first. But, okay, I got Shadow Conspiracy Oil Dirty grips with shadow bar ends, the Fit Inman bars in black, 8.37 rise, 29 width, cut down to 28. Fit SHIV forks, S&M Race XLT top load stem, stock headset, but I got a new white one right there. And I got an alienation rim, my KINK front tire, Fit LURCH 2011 frame. Get the frame. And then we got the FSA Bad Boy cranks, integrated seat clamp, and KINK, and then Fit pivotal seat post. We got Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Fit low down or down low sprocket 28:10 ratio. I'm running for right now at least. I got a Fit bottom bracket, KMC chain, nothing really that interesting. Odyssey hazard light rim. It's a 10 tooth. The tire is a dirt path, I think 20 times 1.8. This is going to be the hub sound. My bad, guys, hang on. So, there you guys go. And then I'm buying new bars for that. I got new grips for all my new parts when they come in from Dan's Comp. I ordered another one because I need new bars and new stem and crap. But here's the Odyssey integrated headset with white washers too. This is exactly how much I have. And then I got the Stolen Vortex bar ends and valve caps and crap, and shadow. We're good. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. Yeah. Well, that's my bike check. See ya.